Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to cancel your Surfshark subscription. If you are using an iOS device, start by opening the App Store. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, tap on Subscriptions. Here, you will see all your active subscriptions. Locate your Surfshark subscription and tap on it. TO Cancel. Simply tap on the red Cancel button. Confirm your cancellation and your subscription will no longer renew. For Android users, the steps are slightly different. Open your Google account settings and tap on Manage your Google account. Swipe to the section for Payments and Subscriptions. Scroll down and tap on Subscriptions, then Manage Subscriptions. Locate your Surfshark subscription and tap on it. Select the option to cancel and confirm the cancellation to stop your subscription. That's it. If you're looking for a great alternative to Surfshark, consider trying NordVPN. NordVPN is known for its faster connection speeds, a larger server network, and advanced privacy features like double VPN for extra security. You can find a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.